Birthday, Yang and Ethan! I wish you both all the happiness and always in good health. Love and miss you. See you all soon.
Hi Tito Bri, hi Ethan, happy birthday! Wish you guys all the best. Love you, miss you. Hope to see you guys soon.
Hi bro, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. May your day filled with surprises, laughter, and love. Here's to 50 more of kindness, wisdom, and more adventures. I love you bro. Again, happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Brian and Ethan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian at Ethan. More birthdays to come po. Ingat!
Happy birthday, Tito Brian and Ethan. Hope you enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. God bless you always. Take care and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian and Ethan. Wishing you both an amazing day filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make you smile. And Tito Brian, may your wisdom continue to inspire everyone around you. And Ethan, may your year be full of fun, growth, and great adventures. We miss you so much and thank you for everything. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tol, Brian, and sa pamangkin ko si Ethan. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian and Kuya Ethan. Ingat kayo palagi. I love you.
Hi, Brian. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating. Para matulungan mo kami. Hahaba pa ang buhay mo. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Kay Ana. Kay Ethan. Happy birthday, Ethan. Si Tricia. Ay, Trice. Kumusta si Renren? Kumusta si Mami Ajing? Inuubo pa rin. Happy birthday again, Brian. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Brian and Ethan. Happy 50th birthday, brother. May God always bless and guide you and your family. And wishing you good health, lots of wealth, and many more birthdays to come. We love you and we miss you. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Brian and Ethan. We love you.
Miss you.
Happy birthday, Ethan. Congrats on being a teenager. Don't give your mom a hard time. Bye, Mom. Happy 50th birthday, Tito Brian. I hope this year is filled with joy and awesomeness.
Happy birthday, Ethan. I wish you the bestest of luck when you're turning from a kid to a teenager. I wish you a good time in school. Happy 50th birthday, Tito Brian. I wish you a good health and for many birthdays to come. Amen.
Happy birthday po, Tito Brian and Kuya Ethan. I love you both. Mwah!
Happy birthday po, Kuya Brian and Ethan. I wish you good health, great life, and more years of happiness. Ingat po kayo lagi. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian and Kuya Ethan.
We wish you a good birthday and we miss you and we love you.
Birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Ethan and Kuya Brian. Enjoy your day and God bless.
We love you both.
Happy birthday and see you soon.